Okay, so hey guys, this is a first challenge lab for the level 2 of my game batch. So let's start this one. It is pretty simple. You can do it within 2 to 3 minutes. What we have to do actually, we have to just add two data in a or inside our Excel sheet, and after adding these two data, just we have to create an app using this data set, and that's it. That is actually we have to do inside this whole app, and which is pretty simple. Okay, so first we need to make this thing ready. Okay, so your thing is ready. Now you have to go and click a link. Yeah, this one. So click this link and click this copy button, and just wait here a little bit. Let these things to be ready. And the first thing you have to do, you have to rename this file. So you have to rename this file from copy of to companies. Okay, so after renaming this file, scroll down a little bit, go to the tax 2 and copy this company name, and here add two more id 11 12, and just write the name as here, this one, and then this one too. So just fill the information, and again for this one, okay, copy this company name and paste just next to the id 12, and this is the address. So we will write address like this one, and this is a website. We have to add the website as there is no website column. So inside this G, just write the website and copy this website, and here just paste it, and the last one for this ID12. So that's it. So this much was expected for the first section. Now the second section is to go inside this AppSheet, click it button, go inside my app, and start with existing data. And okay, we need a name. So name, as I mentioned, the name as a company detail. So copy the name and right here like company detail, and change this to customer engagement, and choose your data, and you have to choose the Excel sheet and choose these companies, click select, and just we have to wait. This will take a couple of seconds. So once this is ready, we will check our progress step one by one. Okay, yeah, this is good and this is ready. So let's go to the tax one, and let's see this. Nice. For tax 2, perfect. And for tax 3, yeah, good. For tax 4, that's it. So that was pretty simple, guys. So see you in the next video. Okay, for the next challenge lab. So thank you. See you.